But
Oh, the other day, I think yesterday I was doing the Postmates.
right.
And then I ended up getting, I had to deliver like 4 coffees or something like that, like to a spot right across the street from the old swap meet.
Right.
And they were filming, and I pull in, and
I send that shit. See? Smooth. Alright. We're gonna go take some cash out. Buy a sack. Okay, we got a shooter, huh?
that are unmarked. Smoking. Oh, can I get over?
Look at this spot right here. It's gonna be something later in life. And I have the footage of what was. Oh. And my new paint, people love this. Yeah. So
It's like, oh, you don't know pain?
Another fucking wheel scooter bike shit.
A bike cop.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Stopping a car? How useless can you be?
I laugh my ass off, bro.
I just record that shit and just be like, leave. Leave while you can.
Oh, I laugh my ass off, bro.
It's a trip, but I probably did something. I mean, who knows? That's a trip.
Bike cop.
Yeah, I know, right?
Are you serious?
That building right there. Ooh, got the corner. But yeah, I got that Louis 13. Has cuñados working. Am I getting the angle right? Sick.
Oh, it's blurry though. I did zoom out.
Proper. Nice footage. Nug. A nug. Definition. Weed. Definition. Get high. Check it out. Yeah. I need some proper strippers actually. Oh, proper. He's log in and log in. Log in, clock in, fucking zoom in. Zooming into the no trespassing, notice private property. Hey, we zoom in too much?
The good old John's Market. Johnsy.
So right now in a flash, right now in 3, 2, 1, you're gonna see us ripping this ball, alright? Look, this is what we're breaking up, look.
How is this guy not overheated yet? Look at this guy. All for the love of weed.
Oh my fucking god, dog. God damn. I was dying. I was torching in there. Got the weed.
Scorching, fool.
Torching, scorching, same shit, bro. proper though. Oh, yeah.
I saw that bead fall and just up your hair, just
man,
whoop.
yeah. It's hot actually. Got the pipe. We're gonna hit this. Are you filming the chopper though?
I was, yeah.
Where? That's just like.
But it's way over there,
Yeah,
so
it's
it
actually
comes out
Wilshire.
blurry. That's like Wilshire. Where those two fools were.
Yeah, right. Imagine.
Just got into it with the army cats, and the army cats just snapped their necks. Because you do know those fools are trained to kill.
Of course.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Those fools are straight up trained to kill.
Of course. He was probably trying getting loked out, and then this. Come on.
I remember one time I sat. Remember we did that? We sat in the car just like
Yeah, I
to
know.
see how hot it
I've done
gets.
that
Like
shit.
just sit in the car. Like
I've done that shit. I'm over here just.
10 minutes in, done.
So somebody who can't like do it for themselves, you know, can't open the door.
Thinking,
Hey yo, bro, I'm over here fucking.
oh shit.
If Burpee could do it.
Excuse me.
That was just rude, dude. That was just fucking rude. The fucking basket.
I do that all.
The lady turned back to one of those tools right here. She was like, the first they were behind me all weird, and then he burped.
Weird ass. Should I buy these two to make a whole bunch of chicken? I was thinking like chicken with some rice-a-roni stuff, bro. Like chicken with the lemon, or
Alright, cool. We're here
some
now, alright.
tortillas, or to eat.
Yeah, we're here with the chicken. You want to make some chicken? I'm down. I see we were talking about chicken with
Chicken with
rice,
rice.
rice and fries. I'm down. We'll
chicken with rice, or unless we get,
We're gonna see.
Unless we get beef, then make something else.
Chicken with rice and something like a little butter, lemon butter, lemon
Rice, yeah.
Chicken lemon.
Oh yeah, chicken lemon.
Alright, we're gonna see right now. I'm high. Well, maybe we're here getting rice-a-roni. We're actually
Also, made mashed potatoes.
rice. Yeah, so we're over here thinking rice, regular rice, rice-a-roni. So yeah, this is what we're working with.
I could. Oh, I could.
style. I can make herb and no butter. Make it right though, because I swear you've done this and you've done it too like watery though.
Butter. The next time we'll see a deal like that. Dude, I haven't been to Jaws in so long, dude. This is good. Hasta nuestro bro, man. Alright, yeah.
Thank you.